NOKIA 6260 lower block disassembly and assembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You need the following tools: a Torx Plus driver size 6, metal tweezers, a DC plug, the SS34 and the SRT6. Turn the unit over and open the battery lid. Take the Torx Plus driver and unscrew the 6 screws in the following order. Remove the screws with tweezers. Remove the B1 cover. Remove the DC jack using the DC plug. Gently lever out the vibromotor. To remove the frame, first lift up the right side and then bend it slightly outwards to the right. After that, do the same with the left side. Separate the side key from the frame. Lift out the engine module from the left side and also from the point near the camera. Turn the engine module 180 degrees and place it onto the empty B1 cover. Carefully open the camera flex with the SS34. Also open the hinge flex, being very careful not to damage the surrounding components. Remove the microphone with tweezers. Lift up the UI flex assembly and remove it. Open the unit to 90 degrees and press out the key mat from the inner to the outer side. The disassembly procedure is now finished. We will continue with the assembly. You need a Torx Plus driver size 6, the torque driver and metal tweezers. Place the UI flex assembly into the A1 cover. Ensure that the flex is placed over the 2 guide pins. Place the microphone into the cover, taking care not to damage the spring contacts. Carefully close the camera flex connector. Now close the hinge flex connector and be sure that it fits evenly. Fold the engine module over into the B2 cover. Place the VGA camera exactly into its guide. Put the side key into the frame. Position the frame and lock both sides properly, making sure that the side key domes are in the right position. check the correct fitting of the frame and side key. Using the DC plug, slide the DC jack into its recess in the B1 cover. Use tweezers when placing the vibromotor into its compartment, being careful not to bend the spring contacts. Take the B1 cover and place it over the engine module. To prevent damaging the plastic threads, first turn the screws slightly left to engage the thread, and then tighten them slightly. After that, apply the correct torque mentioned in the service manual. Assemble the battery lid. Open the unit and insert the key mat. Lock all 5 clips in the order shown. Finally, close the phone and ensure that there are no gaps between the covers. The assembly procedure of the lower block is now finished.